I'm recording, so power up. Now hit the power for the wheel. It was that button you just pushed. There you go. There you go. Woo! It's humming. Now I think we got the motor started up for the spindle over here, so how do we engage the spindle? There we go, there's the spindle going. Can you make it go any faster? Probably got different speeds.
Yeah, that.
Maybe turn that knob there. What's that do?
No, that's the lock.
That's the lock? You don't want to do that?
It only turns that fast because you're grinding in a circle.
Okay. So how do we make the thing traverse?
I think it's a set deal on that. Once you get your shaft shut together, you don't want it to move apart, so it's going to...
Okay. So it's a fixed dead center.